quantum number indicated the shape of the orbital. The next quantum number, which would be the magnetic quantum number, indicates the orientation of the orbital in space. Okay, so what does that mean? First of all, the rules for magnetic quantum number m sub l. Okay, the rules for magnetic quantum number m sub l goes from negative L all the way up to 0 and then all the way up to positive L. Magnetic quantum number cannot be a fraction. In other words, remember, every n is having a one or more L's, or every L is associated with an n. L is further divided into m sub L's technically. So if value of L is 2, then m sub L can go from negative 2 all the way to positive 2. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1 and positive 2. And then if you go for another example, say if L value is L value is 1, then m sub L has negative 1, 0, positive 1. Again, what does this mean? This means that in a subshell L is equal to 1, there are 3 orbitals. Now what is L is equal to 1? If you recollect from previous video, it's denoted as P, right? So every P orbital exists as a set of 3 orbitals, right? So if we say, again, if you remember from your previous videos, if we say 1p, that means this is the n value and this is p value, L value, right? And how many orbitals are there? There are 3 such orbitals. What are those? Px, Py and Pz. These are Px, Py and Pz. Now if you have L is equal to 0, then m sub L, negative 0, 0, positive 0, only one orbital. So if L is 0, that means for an S sublevel, there's only one orbital, okay, with m sub L value 0. This is a spherical shaped orbital that we saw in the last video. In the next video, I'm going to show you each of these orbitals and talk to you about the shapes. We also can notice that if L is 2, then m sub L is having 5 values, negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1 and positive 2. That means L2 is a set of 5 orbitals. That means D occurs as 5 orbitals. Now, one most important thing about electrons and orbitals is that every orbital, every single orbital can occupy 2 electrons maximum. It cannot occupy more than that. So then, if D is a set of 5 orbitals, right, then total of 10 electrons maximum, and if P is a set of 3 orbitals, a total of 6 electrons maximum, and S is 1 orbital, and this is 2 electrons maximum.